Irie, what going right here now? This is situation, yeah. Irie, I already cleaned this up. Already poured it already. That's the intake though. The transports, I mean. That's it. These are cylinders I use. I don't use them other cylinders that the transports are cut out already. These is import. These is the cylinders I use for my Zeda. The 49 steel, inside steel, outside some Chinese aluminum. I love my Chinese princess too. I did mess with a Chinese girl. I ain't talking about a Chinese engine neither. Alright. 2017 Zeda 80. You could tell it got some wear and tear in it. Look how dark that is. Anyway, I'll put it back together. My everlasting bearing. 2017 head. Not a lot of people have this color, trust me. Only like veterans. Or if you find somebody online that's selling it, you'll get one. Alright, the gasket, I open it up. So once you port these out, you gotta open the gasket a little bit. Because the gasket, these gaskets come, the hole comes smaller. So you gotta open it up because the gas, if you don't open it up, it will stop gas flow. So you can see I open it up a little bit. Fits over perfect. Put the reed valve back on it. Stay tuned.